Do you know you can cook an egg into your microwave under 30 seconds? Exactly. Let's in the maximum. سلام، من امیرم. خیلی خوش اومدیم به کانال ترند فارسی. بریم ببینیم تو این قسمت چه خبره. Do you know you can cook an egg into your microwave under 30 seconds?
Can you?
I want you to go to the kitchen and grab an egg and put it into your microwave.
Okay, go. Let's go. We're going. Microwave.
So, where's the egg?
Where are the eggs? No, I have like fucking hundreds.
Yeah, it's up here. Yeah. Put it in the microwave.
Okay.
Now turn it on.
Okay, go. There you go.
Okay, let's see what will happen.
It's just imagine. I'm a bit scared.
Just keep it.
Okay.
It's cooking. Wait. It will be so delicious.
Will this make a massive mess of my
Exactly. Let's in the maximum.
I'm scared to open it.
That was great, girls. Oh my god.
Wait.
Holy shit, look at that. I'm really sorry about that.
The chat is okay. You like the egg? Should I eat it?
Yeah, try to eat it.
Have a little nibble. Have a little nibble.
What the fuck?
It just tastes like egg. It just tastes like egg.
I think your mom will be angry for that, right?
She doesn't need to know, bro. Shush. It's cleaned, it's gone. Shush.
Hello.
Oh, your face is very familiar.
Really?
But anyway,
Are you from Iran?
Iran? No, I'm from Iraq, but I can speak Persian a little. Salam.
Salam Khubi.
Kubi. Yeah, it means are you good? I think.
You're from Iraq.
Iraq, yeah.
You look so Iranian. It's crazy.
Can you teach me more Persian?
Yeah. What do you want to know?
Anything you want.
No, anything you want.
How do you say I love you? It's
عاشقتم.
منم عاشقتم. Yeah. I know this part.
دروغ میگی. You're lying.
No. Wallah, I love you too.
No, you're from Iran. You're not Iraqi.
استغفر الله. لا. تكلمت العربية والكثيرة العربية الواحد.
لا.
You know what is dumbly sack?
Do I know what a dumbly called sack is?
In Persian music, there is a concept by the name of dumbly sack, which in music terms roughly translate to no, not shimmy yeah. No, like this. No, you should no, not like that. You know, it's wrong. It's not dumbly. It's not dumbly. You need to shake your chest like this. Yeah.
We call it dumb Willy cool sack.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, hi.
Let me tell you a fact. Do you know you can cook an egg into the microwave? Did you do this before?
No.
Pop it in. No pans needed. It's like a magic.
What are you like on? Your camera looks so like fancy.
Your camera is like shit and annoying because it's like, you know, I don't know how to say that. It's lagging.
Oh my god.
Did I glitch?
Yeah. But can you try this in this way? Not like...
Good.
Faster.
Why are you being weird?
That's good.
تو اونجا بزرگ شدی درسته؟ کلن ایران نبودی؟
تو اسپانیا. هیچ وقت تو ایران نبودم. تو اسپانیا بزرگ شدم.
اوکی. میدونی گل یا پوچ چیه؟
گلی چی؟
گل یا پوچ.
گلی یا پوچ؟
آره.
نه.
ببین من یه توپی دارم اسم اینو میذاریم گل. خب توی دستم قایمش میکنم و بین دستام میچرخونمش. تو باید حدس بزنی که این تو کدوم دست من بود. اوکی؟ دو راند بازی میکنیم. یه دست من یه دست تو. Let's go. این گله تو دست راستم. کدومه؟
left. نه yes.
بوم. اینجا چیزی میبینی؟ میتونی به انگلیسی بگی. What do you see on my hand?
Nothing.
This is my life without you. Okay, it's your turn. Let's go.
My turn.
Yeah. یه کاغذ
با
میتونی
چی؟
برداری، کاغذ مچالش کنی و بازی کنی.
وای چقدر.
Hi. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Yeah. Do you know how a chocolate milk is made?
Yeah, from chocolate cows.
What the hell?
Chocolate cows?
Yeah, from
What is-
brown cows.
How about banana milk?
Yellow cows.
Can you show me a yellow cow? Where are they?
They're somewhere.
You are in my YouTube channel. High five.
And the Farsi. Oh, you from Iran?
Yep. Can you speak Persian?
No, not yet, but I will get to that someday.
Nice.
There's too many languages in the bucket list right now, so it's a mixture of languages. But
Can you speak a lot different languages?
yeah, I speak a few different languages, but right now I'm learning Indonesian, right?
Anda pikir saya tidak bisa memahaminya.
Wait.
Okay, I said
See.
you think I don't know how to speak like you, something like this.
Wait, so do you speak Indonesian? Because I'm literally a beginner.
No. I just translate
Remembered.
the sentence, in Google Translate to repeat to Indonesian people for pranks. Yes. Let me teach you a Persian sentence in my own language. Say, عشقی جیگر طلا.
What does this mean?
It means you're so cool.
You're-
For example,
you're
you
cool,
love
dude,
them
or-
so much.
Okay, then eski jigar talo, bro.
Thank
Eski
you.
jigar talo. Let's go, Persian.
Let's
I'm loving
go.
it.
Yeah. Okay. We call it flower or empty hand. I will hide this thing in one of my hands and you have to guess what hand has it, okay? Now it's in my right hand. Just focus.
How cool. You chucked it.
No. It's in one of my hands, I swear. Left or right?
Right.
This one?
No, other one.
It's left. Okay, let's go.
Fucking idiot.
But can you see something here?
You just switched
What
it, you
is in
idiot.
my hand? Just tell me.
Nothing.
This is my life without you.
Oh!
Hello. Oh, is that a pirate?
Yes. Why does your background and your screen look so clear?
Thank you. It's only because I really care about my strangers. Can he talk? You're a pirate.
She cannot talk yet. She can make noises.
Okay. Can you try to make the noise?
I can try to get her to come here, step up. Okay, you don't want
Very
to.
nice.
That's fine.
Very nice. Okay. It is time to answer 5 countries in the world.
No, thank you.
Go ahead.
I would fail that. Failed that shit in school. I will fail it again.
This is
I
the
don't know the difference
simple
between
question
states and
in the
countries.
geography at the school. This is the easiest question in geography. Just 5 countries in all around the world. I have more than about 200 countries. Go ahead.
Why are you doing this?
Because I don't know, Can I ask you a question if you're from Sweden?
Yes.
I saw a video on YouTube. There was a Swedish nightlife, and I saw a man. He was in front of a supermarket and he was pissing, and other people don't pay attention to him, and they was just walking. Is it normal in Sweden? Pissing in
People
the streets?
everywhere. It's okay.
What about the smells of the pee in the streets? So is it okay?
Yes.
It doesn't smell. Our pee doesn't smell.
Let's see the video. Let's see the video.
Well, there's sin.
Why he was pissing?
I don't know.
Because you needed to piss.
Doesn't it smell so bad?
No, our pee doesn't smell. It smells so good.
You are joking. You are joking, girls. You're laughing.
No, I swear. It sounds so weird, but I swear it's the truth.
So it's not good. A woman, a lady, should not see a guy is pissing in the street. It's bad.
Yeah, but that's just how Sweden is.
Also, woman piss in front of a man.
Yes,
You're counting things.
but women don't piss as often as men.
So
No,
what
but
if?
like,
So what if your stomach is not okay, and you, for example, you eat a lot of, for example,
we don't shit in the street though.
I saw on YouTube that was a normal nightlife.
We piss in the street, but we do not poop in the street.
Are you from Syria?
No,
Lebanon?
Somalia.
Somali. Nice. But I want to tell you a fact. In Persian music, there is a concept by the name of Dambuli Kak, which in music terms roughly translate to continue.
So not halal mode.
Okay.
What was the name?
Dambali Kusak.
Exactly. Let's dance Dambuli Kak again. Are you ready for my new idea?
Okay, I'm listening.
I will play a song and we can dance with that together. It's a Persian dance, okay?
Okay.
You ready? Just repeat what I'm doing.
Okay. All right. Hold on.
What the fuck? Okay.
What are we doing?
What is it? Open Trend of Farsi YouTube channel on that TV. This is my channel.
You have a YouTube channel?
Here.
Wow.
Do you like the contents? Very nice, girls. I appreciate it. Thank you. High five. That's it. That's all what we want.
Sale pute, tu manges. Ah!
Hello? Can you speak English?
Have you got a fucking green screen?
No, it's not a green screen. I can prove it. Wait.
Wow, have you got like a fancy setup going on?
Yeah. Why are you trying to show your lower part in this application?
خداوند لعنتت کنه. خداوند لعنتت کنه. لعنت خدا بر تو باد.
دمتون گرم که تا این آخر تماشا کردین. منتظر نظرهای شما توی کامنت ها هستم.